In Malaysia, Wallace island hopped, collecting thousands of specimens which he sent back to England. In whatever spare time he could find, he wrote down his scientific ideas, including evolutionary ideas and pieces of evidence that would eventually lead to his discovery of natural selection. He also corresponded with friends, family, and naturalists back home, and even sent papers back to be published in England. One of them included his now famous Sarawak Law paper. Wallace's law stated that when new species come into existence, they are always very similar to another alike species. This law, if true, would create, in Wallace's words, a complicated branching of the lines of affinity, as intricate as the twigs of a gnarled oak or the vascular system of the human body. Unfortunately, the paper was not an immediate success. But several influential scientists of the age did take note of it. A year or so later, Darwin actually wrote to Wallace about the Sarawak Law paper. In regard to the paper in Annals, I agree to the truth of almost every word of your paper. Wallace was quite excited to find that the likes of Charles Darwin had read his paper, and didn't just read it, but agreed with him on almost every aspect. Darwin even hinted that he had been working for 20 years on a larger, greater work having to do with the same topic as Wallace's Sarawak Law. But he didn't tell Wallace what he intended as his greatest contribution to the field, natural selection.